Hi guys, welcome to Monday. It is about 10 o'clock. I know I'm running a little bit behind. I just wanted to get everything set for you before I sent everything out in this email. So for Careers 10 this week, we have quite a bit of stuff to do. So let me walk you through it. The first thing is, as always, here's our checklist to tell us what we're doing. And over here are the examples, instructions, and links to what it is that you have to do. So for today, for Monday, you can learn about career pathways. In this video, I go over a complete lesson about career pathways. You will probably want to take some notes in your notebook about career pathways. Then you're going to complete the career pathway notes as an assignment. So this is actually an assignment. I would say still write notes in your notebook over this because you can't really print this unless you have a printer at home, in which case then go for it. But this still has to be done as an assignment, so you open that up and complete the assignment. That'll take you through Monday. Tuesday, you're going to complete a career pathway activity. Here's the link to the assignment, and if you open it up, it'll show you. You need to rank the career pathways in order from 1, most interested, to least interested, being 6. You just type your numbers in here. Please make a copy of this document, as if you're all typing on the same one, I won't know whose is whose. Then you're going to find 5 careers that interest you in this pathway. When I say this pathway, I mean pathways number 1 and 2 and possibly 3. You're going to want 5 careers. Then, of these 5 careers, you're going to select 2 of them. Type here, and you're going to use Zello and also Google, whatever you need, to find this information. What kind of education is needed for each of these careers? What's the median salary for each of these? What's the work schedule for each of these? Personality styles, that would be on Zello. And what's the job outlook? I mean, is it going to be going up or going down or staying the same? And that's the end of that assignment. You'll turn that in. Then you will take a quiz over career pathways. I say have the notes written down in your notebook because if you have them written down, you go ahead and use them on this quiz. Wednesday, you're going to be able to cite differences between the SAT and ACT by watching this video right here. There's also a handout link here. Then you're going to complete an assignment over SAT and ACT scores. You're going to open that up. It says use Zello and Google to investigate colleges and universities in which you are interested in possibly attending. Find their average SAT and ACT scores and put them in the chart. So I did an example for you. I did University of California, Los Angeles. I put the little logo here. I looked up their average SAT score and their average ACT score range. That's what you're going to do for several colleges. Then at the end, based on looking at this data, what are your goal SAT and ACT scores? So what would you want yours to be? That's going to take you through Wednesday. Thursday and Friday get a little heavier. First things first, you need to sign up for my Edpuzzle classroom. I know that you signed up for my English one, but I do not believe you signed up for my careers one. So first hour, you'll find your link here. Third hour, you'll find your link here. Once you get on to Edpuzzle, there will be 2 videos, Lesson 1 and Lesson 2. On Thursday, you'll do Lesson 1, College Knowledge, and the assignment is to answer the questions that are embedded throughout the video on Edpuzzle. You should be taking notes on this stuff in your notebook. If we were in class, you would be taking notes. Please take notes on these videos for your notebook. Friday, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to go on Edpuzzle, but you're going to look at College Knowledge Lesson 2 and answer the questions embedded throughout the video on Edpuzzle, and make sure you're taking notes in your notebook. Forgot to highlight this one. Do that now. What needs to be turned in? Well, your career pathway assignment, your career pathway quiz, which will already be turned in once you take it, your SAT and ACT assignment, and then obviously when you're on Edpuzzle, those video questions for both videos. And that's your week for careers. If you don't understand something, if it's not making sense to you, please show up to my Google Hangouts, which are scheduled weekly for first hour it would be Tuesday. And for third hour, I believe it's Wednesday. Frankly, you can show up to either one. Just show up at one if you don't understand. If you need anything, as always, please email, call, or text, and I will be happy to get back and help you with any misunderstandings that you may have. Thank you for watching the video. I hope to see you soon. Stay safe, take care, and I will talk to you soon.